is what we're starting with. These are our results. It's voluminous, flirty, sassy for the summer. Sister, it is the rainiest, nastiest day. Somehow, okay, so every time I do a hair video, somehow I end up late. Maybe I'm just late to life. Okay, we're running into the hair salon. We're going to apologize. Hopefully she doesn't hate me. All right, this is what we're starting with. Let's see where we end up. I started filming this video at 10 a.m. when I got my hair done. It is now 10:30 at night. My husband has been working 12-hour days because he is opening a new facility next week on Monday. So I've been alone with the baby for 12 hours and then trying to film and work at night. I desperately need to pump, but I don't have time for that right now. And I just went to go put concealer on. Just so that I didn't look so tired because I haven't touched my face since 10 a.m. I recently put chapstick on there just so I wouldn't have any crusty crusts for you. And then I was like, no, this is a postpartum hair routine. Like I'm supposed to have bags under my eyes and be full of milk and be filming at 10:30 at night. I'm keeping this so real, it is not even funny. Honey, I am taking you into the shower. It is very simple. So this is really for anyone who's lazy, anyone who don't got time for their hair. Okay, let's do this. Sister, my shower time has become so sacred to me. It is my only time postpartum where I am 100% completely by myself. I have been using the Qure shower head for the last couple months, and the shower head is super easy to install. Just a simple twist and you're good to go. And you can change the pressure from rainfall to massage to power spray, which is my personal favorite. It's really important to understand that with healthy hair, it starts at the scalp, okay? Using filtered water can help to reduce chlorine, heavy metals like lead, and harsh water contaminants, which can cause buildup and really begin to weigh down your waves and your curls over time, which will give the curls a more limp appearance. So if you want that defined, juicy, plumped curl, you really want to focus on that scalp health. Keeping it healthy and hydrated is key. Hard water can also cause dullness and lack of shine in the hair, which most curly girls struggle with already, as the oils in our hair have a harder time of working down the hair cuticle. Now for today's shower, all I did was use a deep conditioning hair mask and a smooth over frizz fighting treatment because she already shampooed my hair at the salon and toned it, so we were good to go. And I also love that the shower filter is black and it blends in with my black fixtures in my bathroom to match the aesthetic, because that matters, okay? It matters. Oh, and after rinsing out the deep conditioner, I applied a smooth over frizz fighting treatment because like I said, it's been raining for like 5 days here in Georgia and the humidity here is no joke. If you've been looking to get a shower filter, this is the perfect time because Qure is having a deal in June where if you buy a shower filter, you can get a faucet filter for free as well. I will have this product linked down below if you are interested. And let's go ahead and hop out of the shower and I will show you my hair routine. I'm fresh out the shower. This is no joke, a 2-second hair routine, okay? I'm not here to play games. So here's what we're gonna do first. I'm gonna pop a leave-in conditioner on my hair. I don't do this every time, but if I feel like my hair is extra dry, since I just got highlights, I am gonna use a little bit. This is a new one from Living Proof. I've only used it a handful of times, but I really like it so far. And the mist, I mean, I don't even know if you can detect it on camera because it's so fine. It's such a fine mist. I love a fine mist. I mean, what could be better? Am I right? Or am I right? Fabulous. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of an OG, all right? This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, boom. Flip the hair, rub it in. We're just randomly getting a little bit of curl cream in there, nothing crazy, right? So what I'm going for here really is just like an easy, kind of messy, beachy hair day. It's not gonna be perfect. Now because I'm in Georgia and it's raining literally every day this week, I'm gonna also use a little bit of the Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. I'm just gonna run this over and then we're going to take a microfiber towel and I'm gonna get out the excess water. Ooh. If you know, you know. Tea, okay. All right. Just going to scrunch out the crunch. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am not scrunching out the crunch. I'm scrunching out the extra water. My brain is just a little bit fried and not quite working at the moment. Fabulous. Ugh. I can already tell that the highlights are gonna be really good. I can tell that it's a little bit blonder in the front, which is kind of fun for summer. Like it just feels like June is around the corner. You know what I'm saying? Now that I've got that excess water out, I'm going to take my diffuser. Y'all know I have a few favorites. Actually, my neighbor is borrowing my Dyson right now. She randomly texted me. She's like, hey, my blow dryer died. Can I borrow your Dyson? I was like, yeah, of course. So anywho, today we're going to be using the Qure Infinity Pro. I'm simply going to hit my hair with a little bit of diffuser, get my hair like 50% dry. I'll show you what it looks like at that point, and then what I'm going to do after this is going to shock you. It's going to appall you. It's a curly girl sin, but I need to sleep. I really need to sleep. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. At this point, is my hair 50% dry? No, it's probably closer to 40% dry, but here we are. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a silk scrunchie, flip our head over, kind of like messily pile the hair on top of your head loosely, wrap it around itself, secure it. I like to hit it with a little clip in the back so it's nice and secure, and then we go to sleep. I know what you're thinking. Truly though, it's like, I don't need my hair to look perfect right now, you know, like we've walked through so many hair tutorials here on my channel. What this video is, it's not how to get perfect hair for that event. It's how to get a pretty good hair day, because when you're postpartum, having perfectly defined wavy curls is not the goal. You know what I'm saying? The goal is to keep my baby happy and fed, and while also maintaining my sanity. And I think I've been doing that. I've truly been like just the happiest I've ever been. I feel so insanely blessed and grateful. Arlo is like the greatest joy of my life, and I feel more in love with my husband than ever, and I just feel very fortunate and lucky. Okay, I'm gonna stop before I get really, really sappy and mushy. So do I still want my hair to look good? Yes, I do. But do I have the time to wash and style my hair for 2 hours and make it look perfect? Not right now. Not right now, I don't. Okay. And I'm sure a lot of you don't. Like I said, maybe you're in law school, maybe you're a mom of 3, or maybe you're just looking to have a lazy girl summer and you want to have a cute hair day, but you don't want to put in a ton of work. Thank me later. All right, I'll see you in the morning. Hopefully I'll be refreshed. I'm about to wash my face and pump because I am currently engorged, and then go to bed and wake up, and I will show you our results. I'll be getting ready tomorrow. I am taking Arlo to a doctor's appointment to see if he has a tongue tie. He has not been able to latch, which is why I've been exclusively pumping. So we think one of the lactation specialists at the hospital said that maybe he has a tongue tie. So we're gonna see if that's the case tomorrow. It's weird because it's like part of me hopes that he does have this because it means there's a reason he hasn't been able to latch and there's a solution. But then the other part of me is like, obviously I don't want him to have this. I don't want him to have, you know, this procedure to get it lasered off. I don't know. Hopefully tomorrow will go well. I'm gonna get some sleep if Arlo will let me. And I will see you in the morning. All right. Night-night. Is the next day. I'm putting on the exact same outfit as yesterday. I think you can tell that it is the next day, I promise. I was only filming this and I was like, I just know someone's gonna be like, she lied, it's not the next day. No, it's the next day, folks. Okay, I just need to do laundry. Great, all right. Now there's makeup on the sweatshirt that wasn't there before. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So taking the clip out, as you can see, it did pretty well staying in all night. I'm going to let this down and out. It's still slightly damp, but like just barely. what I'm gonna do is take the diffuser and I'm just gonna a little bit and then show you the results. Just diffuse my hair for like the tiniest amount. I'm gonna take, this is a really old dry shampoo. It's from Froze. I'm gonna take just a little bit. It's like a poof powder. And I'm gonna rub this just into the roots, just a little bit to work up some volume. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of the JVN hair oil and we're gonna run out the door to this appointment. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and run it from the mid hair shaft down. And then I'll show you the results. These are our results. Now this is like all of my hair pushed to the front, you know what I mean? Is this perfect? Like, is there frizz? Yes, there's frizz. It's pouring raining outside and I didn't do like a perfect diffuse, a perfect product application, but like it still looks pretty, it's voluminous, it's fun, flirty, sassy for the summer, and it's a great, like super fast postpartum hair routine. I personally would not recommend sleeping with damp hair every time you wash your hair, but from time to time, if you're like, listen, I need to shower, this is the only time I have time to wash my hair at night, and you need it to look good the next day, this is a great option. Once again, it will not look perfect. There's definitely some frizz, like halo frizz, I'd say, but this is the best my hair's looked since having Arlo. Okay, wow. It feels really nice to like look in the mirror and look like me. Okay, I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope this was helpful for all of my lazy gals out there. And biggest thank yous to Qure for sponsoring today's video. I will have their products linked down below. I literally love my shower head. I love that it fits into my aesthetic in my shower. You don't even see it. And it works beautifully. Okay, all right, love you guys. Bye.